Hey, Dr. Paya.
Hello!
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I haven't been back to Irfan for so long.
I know,
I miss Irfan.
Yeah.
In fact, I have something for you.
No way!
I'm serious. That's why I
No
told you to
way.
stay there. Yeah, this is my surprise. Here,
Oh my god!
open it.
Oh my god!
Open it.
Oh
Open
my
it. Open
god!
it. Open it.
No
Open
way!
it.
No way!
You got two. Yeah, show me what you got. Show us
Oh
what
my
you got.
god! Oh my god! My favorite integral. Wait, let's
Yep.
see. Okay.
Yep.
And go!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah. You know.
Oh, I have to hug you. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god! And then, oh my god! Oh my god!
Your students are going to love you if you wear this on
best
Comma Final.
friends.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Power series. Oh, too bad the final was yesterday.
I know.
I could use it.
Maybe next semester, next quarter.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
I was. This is awesome.
Were you surprised because I gave you the Trader Joe's bag?
I know. I was like, ooh, what cake are you bringing me? But then this is better.
Yep. Ooh.
TSA style.
Which one is your favorite Power Series?
Power series. Oh, so many. I like Arctangent. It's
Arctangent?
very exotic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course, my favorite one is 1 over 1 minus x.
Oh yeah, but that's sort of the nucleus of all.
Yeah.
I guess the root of it all, right?
Yep. Cool. I designed all the T-shirts. I
It's
designed all the
amazing.
photos.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you. I am glad to hear that. Yeah.
And I love this. That way, like people, they have to tilt their head. So
Right.
there was also this guy who was wearing this shirt saying "Let epsilon be negative."
Oh wow.
And I want to be
That's
like, ah,
Oh.
no one knows.
cool. All right.
Thanks for watching.
Cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.
Go to Trader Joe's. They have good stuff.
You can buy my shirt,
Yes.
a hoodie at Trader Joe's.